Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet on desktop. First, navigate to your browser's extension store and search for the official Trust Wallet extension. Once found, download and install it. After installation, you will have the option to create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to write down your recovery phrase and store it in a very secure, private location, never sharing it with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds into it. To receive cryptocurrency, simply click on the Receive button to find your unique wallet address. You can then copy this address and use it to transfer funds from a cryptocurrency exchange or another personal wallet. Always double-check the address before initiating any transfer to ensure your assets reach the correct destination. Sending and swapping crypto is straightforward. To send, select the asset, enter the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. For swapping, use the built-in swap feature to exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within your wallet. Always take a moment to carefully review all transaction details, including fees and the final amount, before you confirm to prevent any errors. Keeping your assets safe is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication if available for an extra layer of security. When interacting with decentralized applications or DApps, always ensure you are connecting to legitimate sites to protect your funds. For staying refreshed throughout your day, remember to check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Always double-check transaction details before confirming any action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.